Hello. Good morning. These are the elevators here at the Crystal Building in downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee. Installed in 1979 Westinghouse elevators, but modded very shortly after this place was built with Otis Elevonic 401, sometime in the 80s, obviously. Here are on key. These have nice classic leveling. Let's go back up to 10. Yeah, I can't get both indicators. I want to thank the awesome security guard here for letting me ride these. And you see you got Westinghouse interlock up here. Original call stations. They're still completely Westinghouse on the outside, but on the inside, they were modded, as you can see, in the 80s, and this building was built in 1979, so they wasted their money modding these shortly after. But it does make this a really interesting system we got here. Left. Don't wanna. Beast basement. ADA phone. Doors and the outside dinner bells, indicators, and stations outside are original, but the buttons inside and the controllers were replaced, and I believe the motors too. And that's it.
Oops, sorry. You ready?
Yeah. There it goes.